Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening an elevated shell because system timestamps require admin access. Once done, type system info and press enter to view the OS install date line. This shows the original installation timestamp. Make sure to capture the line exactly, since regional formats vary. If you prefer PowerShell, you can run get computer info later. For now, stick to system info so you see the core data and confirm the system's claim about its install date. Next, you'll probe the system record to get a precise, machine-readable value. Run getSim instance Win32 operating system, select object install date in PowerShell. That returns a raw timestamp you can convert to local time. Alternatively, wmic os get install date /value gives a compact numeric string. Parse it as yimtemps. These methods read the OS class directly, which is more reliable than file dates. Finally, reconcile results. Compare system info output, the Win32 operating system install date, and the creation date of C/Windows to confirm the install date. If values differ, examine Event Viewer under Windows Logs right arrow setup to find setup and upgrade events that explain discrepancies. Make sure to run all tools as administrator. If data still looks wrong, a corrupted registry or imaging process may have altered timestamps. Try booting into safe mode or run sfc/scano to test system integrity as a first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.